Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome in this video. So this is the second part of our Appointox introduction series. In this part, we will explain you how you can connect your Telegram bot and also how you can select the template for front end and how you can edit that template. Alright, so let's start the video. First of all, you see the bot configuration here. You will need a bot token, so for that you will go to bot father, create your Telegram bot as I already created. Like, these are the steps you need to follow. Then you just need to copy this bot token, come back to the website and enter here and connect bot. Your bot will be connected and will be live. Bot connected successfully. You can see this is the bot URL or bot username. We will go to this bot and type start. It will respond, welcome, I can help you book appointments. Book appointment, it will say, because at the moment there is no booking available, so session expired. Because there is no booking available, as we have not added here, it will not move forward from that. So only the bot is active now. So we will explain you how you can add availability and select the template in the next part of the video. In this part we just made the Telegram bot live and we will select the template and see the editor thing. So we have pre-built templates for these businesses. At the moment we will be adding more templates according to business niches. There is a basic and then there is a premium template. So as we are using a, for example, we are using a spa, it is a free one. We should use a, for example, we use this one. We just first preview it. Here you can see, you can also preview and then you can select the template. You can also see the detailed features from here of the template. So we will go with this one, luxury salon studio review template. Here you can see, in premium templates you can have a video at the background of the hero section. I will select this template. You can also see from here some internet issue, that's why it gives that. Now it see switch to luxury salon studio. So this is now editor. Now we are in editor. First we publish the website. So website is published. Now we will refresh this and we would see a website. You can see now. So this is our pre-built template. Now this is your front end as the owner of the website or platform, and here your booking appointments will appear. This is your business name. All right, so now we will show you the editor, website editor. So first of all, here it says content. From here you can change your logo, upload the image, and for example I upload this image uploaded successfully, and I will select this image, save changes and click on publish. And now I refresh, I will see logo as well. Here you can see logo is appearing. Because logo dimensions were not good, that's why it's not appearing correctly, but logo is updated here. After that you can change the logo text here, this button text here. After that, hero section, you can change all the content here. At the moment this is the image being used. You can also add a background video from here. You can change the text. Service sections, you can see we have given 6 services. You can change the text here. About section, you can change the text here. For team section, you can also change the images, videos, everything. Gallery section, you can select or add images for gallery section. It would appear here. Here it is. Then testimonial section, you can edit the testimonials. Contact section details and the footer section details, you can do that. So from here you can change the styling, the color scheme, typography, preview, like it is giving a preview of font colors. You can do SEO of the things from here. Here you can see page title, front, like main page title, your meta description, your keywords will be here. Open graph, Facebook, Twitter card, like you can do SEOs from here. Here your assets will appear, like the images or videos you uploaded, so they would appear here. So that's, you can see logo is appearing here. So that is the complete editor information. You have your live website here, your preview will appear here. So in this video we understood how you can connect your Telegram bot and how you can select a website template and how you can edit that in our CMS. So in the next part of the videos we will see how to add availability, how to add specialist, and then we will select a booking template as well, and then we will book an appointment on Telegram. So keep in touch with us. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day, and see you in the next part of the video.